Let's take a closer look at the Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector that plugs into the wall and has a 9-volt battery backup. It's very easy to install. You just simply plug it in to a 120-volt outlet in your home. There is also a 9-volt battery backup, and let me show you exactly where that needs to be installed. Okay, you just turn it around and you have this little outlet here and you just pull it down, and then the 9-volt battery goes right in there. That is not included with your carbon monoxide detector. There's this test and reset button that makes testing the detector for your carbon monoxide or silencing for false alarms. We have installed this carbon monoxide in our bedroom. And keep in mind, carbon monoxide detectors are completely different than smoke detectors. Carbon monoxide alarms are the most effective way to detect carbon monoxide in the air and to alert you if there's dangerous gas in your area. We've had these for over 2.5 years. I highly recommend them, and they have worked great for us the entire time.